Hello everybody, welcome to my kitchen. It's just Lan. Today we're gonna be making shrimp scampi. Over here we have about 2 pounds of washed, peeled and clean raw shrimp. My next ingredient is gonna be butter. I have about 3 to 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, but you can use any kind of butter that you prefer. We have some garlic. I have about 4 cloves of chopped garlic over here. You can use whole garlic depending on your preference. I have some fresh chopped parsley. We have our pepper, black pepper over here. We have some pepper, red pepper crust, flakes, however you can call it. I have some salt. It's just regular table salt. We have fresh lemon. This is already washed. I'm gonna be using this to get about 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. You can also use lemon zest if you want, but for today's recipe I'm just gonna be using the lemon juice. The last ingredient for this recipe is gonna be olive oil. I'm gonna be using about 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. Okay guys, I have my pan on the stove already. My stove is on medium heat, the non-stick pan. I'm gonna go ahead and pour the olive oil. And the next step will be for me to put in my garlic. I don't want the oil too hot because I don't want to burn my garlic. And I'm just gonna fry it up for a few seconds so you can get the flavor and all the aroma from this garlic. You can stir that or just leave it for a few seconds. I think that should be good. We don't want it too brown so it doesn't get burned. You can go ahead and put in your shrimp. So we're gonna cook our shrimp for about 3 to 4 minutes until it turns pink. So while this is cooking, you can just go ahead and put in some salt and the black pepper. That's about half a tablespoon of salt. You don't want a lot of salt depending on your taste bud. And I have my black pepper flakes over here. That's about half tablespoon of black pepper. Okay guys, so the shrimp has been cooking for 3 minutes. I'm just gonna go ahead and flip it, turn it, so we can cook the other side. You can increase the stove if you want. I'm gonna let this side cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so right now you can put in some butter. Remember I said earlier we're going to be using some butter, so you can just add your butter. I'm going to be putting half of the butter to the pan. Some pepper flakes. So like half cup of pepper flakes. Because I don't know about you guys, I love spicy food. Put in your parsley at this point. give that a stir. Okay, so in total this has been cooking for 6 minutes. I've added the butter, my parsley, the pepper flakes, and my last ingredient on the list is the lemon. I'm just gonna squeeze in some lemon juice. Like I said, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Lemon juice makes shrimp scampi just better. And you can add in the rest of the butter. And give it a stir. That looks so delicious. We're gonna cook this for about a minute. We can turn off the stove because everything is done. Our shrimp looks pink. It looks done. We don't want to overcook the shrimp, guys. We just want it at that perfect texture. 5 to 6 minutes, like everything should be done. So everything is ready. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn off my stove. Oh, it smells so good, so good. Okay guys, let's dig right in, and I'm gonna tell you how this tastes in the mouth. This tastes really good. It's delicious. It's a little spicy and so good. You need to try this at home, guys. This is something you have to try. You can have this done under 10 minutes with few ingredients. Thank you for watching my videos and liking my videos. Please subscribe and hit the bell button so you can always get new notifications of my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.